In this section of the video series, we will look at various ways of reaching your target audience on Google. We will understand how a Google search engine works, concepts like search engine optimization or SEO, on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and local business SEO. Alphabet Incorporated is the parent company of Google and is valued at $825 billion in September 2019. Over 1 billion people use Google's product and services, including YouTube, Gmail, Google Drive, Android OS, Chrome, etc. An average person performs 3 to 4 Google searches per day. The Google market share among the world's search engines is 87.96%. Google processes over 63,000 search queries every second, that is over 5.5 billion searches per day, which amounts to 2 trillion searches per year. In 2019, Google generated almost $134.8 billion in ad revenue. About 97% of Google's total revenues come from advertising. That said, we all know Google as the place to go to when we want to search some information. But have you ever thought, how does Google search work? Let's understand this process. Google continuously maps the internet to discover new websites, updates to websites, and any new content that is published anywhere on the web. This activity is known as crawling. When Google discovers these new updates, it stores a copy of these on its server. This activity is known as caching. We can consider these servers as a virtual library that stores all the information available on the internet. Every day, millions of people go to Google to find information. When they search, Google goes through the pages it has cached and finds the web pages that may have the relevant information. Then, it ranks up these pages based on 200 plus parameters to find the most relevant information it can share with its users to choose. Some of the parameters include the words the user entered to search the information, location of the words user searched in a web page, linking of pages with other web pages related to the search term, location of the user, when the web page was published, etc. Based on these factors, Google's algorithms rank the pages and decides which results should be shown to the users and in what order. Google algorithms are regularly updated to make sure they show the best possible results to their users. In this way, Google tries to show the content which is most likely to be helpful and is reliable to the user by putting it automatically in a specific order into the form of a search result page, also known as SERP. Let us understand with the help of an example of mutual funds the different aspects of a search result page. At the top, you can see that it indicates that Google took 0.96 seconds to find 36 crore plus results and show it to you in a specific order. We look closer, you can see that the top 4 results are Google ads followed by organic results, that is, results which are not ads. At the very bottom of the page, it shows us other searches related to the mutual funds. It also shows some more ads before related searches. On the right side, it gives us information about what is a mutual fund, books about it, and also informs us about other things people searched for in addition to mutual funds. Research suggests that 90% of the users click on the first few results. Hence, it is very important to appear on the first search result page and even more beneficial to be higher up on the search results. Let us first understand how to achieve this organically. That is, without placing any ads. It can be achieved through search engine optimization or SEO. SEO is a process of improving the quality and quantity of website traffic by ranking as high as possible on search engine results. Google defines it as a process of making your site better for search engines. There are two aspects of SEO. First, on-page or on-site SEO. It includes optimizing various aspects of your website, including the website content, user experience, user interface, and website technical setup. All these activities are done on your website, and hence it is known as on-page SEO. Off-page or off-site SEO includes activities you do away from your website, like promoting your website on social media platforms, blogging on third-party platforms, generating links from other websites that redirect users to your website, bookmarking, etc. These activities help in improving the online reputation of your website and make it appear more trustworthy to the search engine. These are some of the activities you can undertake to implement effective on-site SEO. Make sure that the website is mobile friendly and loads quickly. If not so, users, even if they come to your site, will not stay, as they have to wait for a longer time, or if the site browsing experience is not good. Choose the target keywords for each of your pages and write website content to highlight the target keyword. Add search engine friendly title tags. Title tags are these headlines that appear in blue when we search on Google. Try and include your keyword in the title tag and structure it in a way that will persuade the users to click the link. Google displays 55 characters or less in the title tag. Anything more than it will be truncated. Meta descriptions is the text placed just below the title tag in search result. It is used to summarize the web page content, ideally in 160 characters or less. If the search query entered by the user is present in the meta description, the chances of it being shown in the search result increases. Use short URLs that convey what information does the web page convey. Try to add a keyword to the URL as well. Whenever you add any images on your website, add alt text image and use keywords in the file name while uploading the image. Make sure that the content on the web page is the same as what is mentioned in the meta description, or else it will result in a high bounce rate, which will ultimately impact the overall ranking of the page. Structure the content on your page by using headings tag, that is H1, H2, H3, etc. Add relevant keywords in the headings. Add social sharing buttons to your website. Allow the website visitors to share content like blogs, articles, etc. on your website on social media. Always interlink content within different web pages. For example, if you are giving a brief of different services you offer on your homepage, hyperlink it to the individual services page, which will provide more details about it. You may also include links to other websites in your blogs. If these external links are of higher ranked or more popular websites, it will help you in your rankings. 1. Link building is one of the most important aspects of off-page SEO. It means that other websites consist of links to your website. That is, when a user will click on these links on the other website, they will be redirected to your website. A good example of this is a PR article or interview in an online magazine from your niche, or guest blogging on other websites, etc. Keep an eye on your competitor and their SEO strategy. There are various tools available that will help you perform an SEO audit of your competitor. The most used one includes SEMrush, Ubersuggest, Ahrefs, SimilarWeb, etc. Update your website continuously to add new and fresh content to increase your website traffic. Create excellent high-quality content and publish it on your website. It will be automatically picked up by the other websites, or visitors will share it on their social media platform. This will make it reach a larger audience and will result in more people visiting your website. Google prefers original content. All the SalesPanda users get a personalized website that implements multiple SEO practices to improve traffic. The microsite is mobile friendly and loads extremely quickly. All the content is structured under proper headings. It provides a great user experience to all the visitors. Also, periodically, new, high quality and fresh content is added to the microsite. All the blogs follow the best SEO practices like interlinking, proper headlines, titles, descriptions, etc. If you are a local business, you should also concentrate on local SEO for your business. Google states that users searching for local businesses are closer to make a purchase decision. Hence, it is important to optimize for local SEO as well. The first step in doing so is creating and claiming your Google My Business profile. Google My Business profile is like a business listing on Google. It lets you easily connect with your customers across Google Search and Google Maps. Let us look at the steps involved in creating a Google My Business profile. Go to https://www.google.com/en_in/business/ Signing in using your Gmail account, type your business name. Click Next. Add your office location. Click Next. Select the city of operation. Add your contact number and website URL. You have finished creating Google My Business profile. Then, add your mailing address where Google will send you a postcard to verify the address shared by you. You may add this later for verification. You can then update multiple details about your business like your business hours, photos you want to add, any products or services you want to list, etc. It also gives them a whole new platform through which to connect with their customers. From interacting through posts and commenting on reviews to learning more about what their customers are looking for when they find your business via an online search. In this video, we learned in detail about marketing on Google, including what is on-site and off-site SEO and local SEO. This video is created by Team SalesPanda. SalesPanda is an advanced marketing automation platform for channel partners, delivering efficient and easy-to-use channel marketing solutions for resellers, distributors, partners, agents and dealers. SalesPanda platform has made wide-scale applications in various industry verticals including mutual fund and financial services, insurance, real estate, information technology, etc. SalesPanda is an easy-to-use, hassle-free and scalable SaaS-based platform designed to help brands and their channel partners optimize their digital reach in no time. For more such videos about digital marketing, subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get instant notifications when we upload a new video.